As the monsoon intensifies, fear of flooding grips Malkangiri district once again. Continuous rains have raised the threat of major waterlogging and disruption in the region. Adding to the worries, 5 high-level bridges on the national highway remain incomplete, sparking anger and concerns about public safety and connectivity. Construction of these bridges at Pangam, Poteru, Kangurukonda and MV96 began in June 2022 with a target to finish by July 2024. But nearly 3 years later, only 30% of work is done. The project worth 79 crore rupees was awarded to a contractor from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Despite drawing 16 crore rupees in bills, the contractor showed minimal progress, forcing the district administration to terminate the contract and impose an 8 crore rupee penalty. With Malkangiri already struggling with low-level bridges prone to flooding, the delays means the district could cut off again during peak rains. Public resentment is mounting as authorities scramble to issue fresh tenders and restart the stalled work.
काम जाक स्लो डाउन कला से कंट्राक्टर आउ टिके बेसी माने कामटा को नेग्लेक्ट कला जेंती ताको सब जाक सो को देकी ताको तो टर्मिनेट करा हिची आउ ताको पेनाल्टी मते पडिची डिपार्टमेंट तरफ ता सहित एबे रीटेंडरिंग होबो आउ सेटा काम जाक होई कि आउ ब्रिज जाक तयारी होबो एबे वर्षा दिन जेहेतु आगो को आसुची सेति हमकु भी चिंता अछि जे केमिति ताको शीघ्र शीघ्र सारिबो।